Healthcare is essential for all of us. We rely on doctors, hospitals, and other providers to keep us healthy. But like any system, healthcare can have problems. Sometimes there are mistakes in billing. Other times there might be fraud, where people try to cheat the system for money. That's where the Office of Inspector General, or OIG, and medical billing audit agencies come in. The OIG and audit agencies act like guardians for healthcare. They make sure everything runs fairly and honestly. Their job is to protect patients and the government from fraud and abuse. This is crucial for maintaining trust and ensuring that healthcare resources are used wisely. Compliance is a big word, but it simply means following the rules. In healthcare, there are many rules about billing and coding for services. These rules can be complex, and it's easy to make mistakes. That's why compliance is so important. When everyone follows the rules, it prevents problems and keeps healthcare affordable. The OIG is a government agency. It keeps a close eye on the healthcare system. Think of them as detectives. They investigate any signs of fraud, waste, or abuse. They also make sure that healthcare providers are following the law. The OIG has a lot of power. They can conduct audits, which are like thorough checks of financial records. If they find something wrong, they can issue fines or even prosecute people. This authority acts as a deterrent against fraudulent activities. But the OIG's role is not just about punishment. They also provide education and guidance to healthcare providers. They want to help providers understand the rules and avoid problems in the first place. By working together, the OIG and healthcare providers can create a more transparent and accountable system. Medical billing audits are another essential part of keeping healthcare honest. These audits are like checkups for billing records. They make sure that providers are billing correctly for the services they provide. Audits can be conducted internally by the healthcare providers themselves. They can also be conducted externally by specialized audit agencies. These agencies have experts who understand the complexities of medical billing codes and regulations. They meticulously review claims to ensure accuracy. During an audit, the auditors will examine a sample of medical records and billing claims. They look for any discrepancies or errors. If they find mistakes, they will work with the provider to correct them. This process helps to ensure that patients are not being overcharged and that the government is not being billed for services that were not provided. The work of the OIG and medical billing audit agencies is essential for maintaining a healthy healthcare system. By preventing fraud and ensuring accurate billing, they protect both patients and healthcare providers. For patients, these safeguards mean that they can trust the healthcare system. They can be confident that they are not being taken advantage of financially. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially when dealing with health concerns. For healthcare providers, compliance and accurate billing are crucial for financial stability. By avoiding costly mistakes and penalties, providers can focus on what matters most, providing quality care to their patients. A well-functioning system benefits everyone in the long run.